Hello and welcome to this easy tutorial on how to unzip a zip file. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to find our zip file. In my case it's right on the desktop here. Then we're going to right click it and go where it says here extract all. Now we are going to find a location to extract it, and it will automatically extract it wherever your original zip file is. So if I have my original zip file on the desktop as it is, it will automatically extract it to the desktop as well. So we're just going to untick that box. Feel free to tick it if you want to show your extracted files when you're complete. And we're going to press the extract button. And now here we go. Here on the desktop is the new folder that it was zipped before, is now unzipped. So if we want to open that up, we can see here the folder in the File Explorer of the zipped file.